Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Tulkun from Avatar 2: The Way of Water. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Tulkun, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to make a small little oval shape for the eye. Then we're going to put a little circle in here, and we're going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. I'm going to add a couple little lines above and a couple below it as well. Now we're going to actually begin with the mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come down here, and then across. And then we're going to come right down to here. Now I'm going to start here. I'm going to bring this line up. And then we're going to come back here. I'm going to curve this one down. And then right here I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up. We're going to bring this back. And then down here. I'm going to make a long line that's just going to come across and then down. And then right here we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then it's going to come up here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over to here. And then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it down to here, a little bumpy. Bring this line in, and I'll make another line that's going to go down, out, and then down. Next, starting here for the flipper, we're going to bring a line that's going to come down. We're going to put a little hook on it. We're going to come down here, and we're going to bring this out to a point. Next, we're going to bring this up and then in. And we're going to bring this line down and over to here. I'm going to curve this line up. We'll make another line that's going to go down and up, and then one more here. Right here we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come to a point. It's going to go back up with a little hook, and then right to there. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We'll make a little curve, and then we'll come back. We'll make another line that's going to come down, and we're going to curve it around to here. I'm going to bring a line right to there. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come to a point. It's going to curve around kind of like a leaf. Another one's going to come down and then curve around. Right here, we're going to make a little line. And then we're going to come in here and add some different details. So I'm going to make a little broken line that comes right down here. Another little line right across here. Make a line in here. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down to here. Make another little broken line here. And we'll make a long broken line that comes down. We'll add some little lines right across the flippers. We'll add some little curves in here. We'll add some little lines right across here, and we'll make some that kind of curve up as well. I'm going to add a couple more coming up here and a couple more across here as well. I'll make a couple down and some right here. Make a few lines here. And a couple lines around here. We'll even put a few lines around here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Tulkun from Avatar 2: The Way of Water. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.